My name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People call me the father of a nation. I am lawyer. I am freedom fighter. Raghupati Raghava Rajaram Padida Pavana Sidaram Raghupati Raja